Understanding Mailchimp analytics and metrics is essential if you're looking to get the most out of your email marketing campaigns. By understanding the right metrics, you can drive better results and make smarter decisions. Stick around till the end, as I'll show you how to analyze your data effectively and reveal an exclusive bonus that could take your campaigns to the next level. So, how do you interpret Mailchimp analytics? First, let's start with open rates. This is one of the most fundamental metrics to track. Open rate tells you how many people are opening your emails, which helps gauge how engaging your subject lines are. If your open rates are low, it might be time to try tweaking your subject line or segmenting your audience better. Next thing to consider is click rates. Click rate is another crucial metric, and it shows how many people clicked on the links inside your email. If people are opening your emails but not clicking, then your email content might not be compelling enough, or maybe your call to action isn't clear enough. You'll need to test and refine to see what drives engagement. The third thing that's important is bounce rate. Bounce rate tells you how many of your emails didn't get delivered. This could be because of invalid email addresses or issues with your email list. A high bounce rate often indicates that you need to clean up your email list and ensure you're only sending to valid contacts. Mailchimp gives you detailed reports to identify these issues, so you can reduce bounces. The fourth thing you should look at is unsubscribe rates. If your unsubscribe rate is higher than expected, it's time to pay attention. This could be an indicator that your content isn't resonating with your audience, or you're sending too many emails. Monitoring this metric helps you adjust your email frequency and content, ensuring you keep your audience engaged. Then, we've got conversion rates. Conversion rates measure how many of your email recipients complete the desired action, like making a purchase or signing up for an event. By tracking conversions, you get a clear view of your email marketing ROI. If your conversion rate is low, it's time to evaluate your offer or improve your email's content and design. One more thing, pay attention to the time and day your emails are sent. Analyzing which days and times have the highest open rates and click rates will help you optimize your email delivery schedule. With Mailchimp Analytics, you can see when your audience is most active and adjust your send time to maximize engagement. And lastly, Mailchimp provides a feature called A/B testing, which lets you test different subject lines, content, and even send times to see what works best for your audience. By running tests, you can refine your emails based on actual data, helping you improve your email performance over time. So, what does all this data mean for you? It means you can improve your email campaigns and get better results. But what if I told you that you can start using Mailchimp's powerful analytics and email marketing tools for free? You can. And not only that, you can access some exclusive bonuses through the first link below. Remember, understanding Mailchimp analytics and metrics can take your email marketing to the next level. By tracking these key metrics, you can refine your strategy and make data-driven decisions that help grow your business. Don't forget to check out the link below to get your exclusive and extended free trial. Happy emailing!